Okay, so let's troubleshoot this deploy. So usually what I should have done, okay, good habit to do is even before I deployed the front end, is to actually do a test run of the API. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the Heroku API. Okay, and let's give this a test run, see where these problems are. Okay, Heroku Express backend slash app, and then it should be slash auth slash sign up. Okay, let's go to the body. Username. Say it was, I just create one that's my name, Alex Merced. Password. Cheese. Okay. And then I hit send. Let's see if it creates a user. Get auth. Oh, should be a post. So that works. Okay, so we created the user. Now let's try the login because the login is the one that's been giving us a problem. So if I log in with that user. Okay, so we are having a problem with that. Oh, I know why. The secret. The secret. We didn't. That was one thing we don't have in our config vars. Secret. Okay, and then the secret needs to be, it can be whatever. So we'll just call this Gouda. Okay. There we go. Now this should be working. Okay, because basically it was trying to decode, sign a token, but without a secret, it can't sign the token. It was just, you just had an undefined secret. So now if I log in, there I get my token. So this means the front end should now be working. So let's go back here. Log in. Alex Merced. Cheese. And we're good. Breakfast. Haha. Now if I want to edit it, breakfast 2. Huzzah. If I want to delete it, huzzah. It didn't delete. Interesting. Let's see, Control Shift I. What is wrong with the delete button? So let's go to network. Oh, it's still running that updated app, but I thought we fixed that. Okay. So maybe I need to push another update of my backend. So let's do that. So let's go to the first one here. Git status. See here, is any changes not working? Yeah. Oh, so that should reflect the changes I made in notes. Because see, we fixed that. Find ID by find ID and remove. Let's see. Let's just see here. Preview, delete. Yeah, that all looks fine. Has the token, but it doesn't want to delete. Interesting. So let's examine our delete, see what might be funny there. Well, actually another test would be to test it here. So let me keep my token. Let's change this to note. And I'm going to go to headers, update my token. Send. Okay, there's that. And see if I'm able to delete it manually, because then if I can delete it from here, then the issue is the front end. So far that looks good. Now if I go back to get and I do this, wait, now I have 2. Interesting. It's not what should be happening when I hit delete. Let's try that again. I go here, I say note, I want to do a delete. I type in the ID. Okay, then I'm going to go back to get. host note cheese. Okay, so we can create one just fine. So I'm assuming maybe that code didn't update on my GitHub for some reason. So let's go to GitHub. Let's go to React Express backend. Yeah, no, it's still showing that online. So that is the problem. That change did not get captured, even though it tells me that it's all up to date. So git commit -m update to delete. So why is not that updating? Let's try it again. Okay, now it updated. Okay, so that means this should be rebuilding now. Okay, it didn't. It's not rebuilding, so I guess it didn't count as a full-on commit. It just, for some reason, it didn't take right away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just have to do a manual deploy. See if it repulls the code and rebuilds itself. Would that fix it? Okay, so let's go back to my app. Is this the Netlify one? Yep. So let's see here. Let's log in. Alex Merced 1 cheese. I'm logged in. Oh wait, it was just Alex Merced. Alex Merced cheese. There we go. Now let's see if I delete. Oh, now see, now I got all this extra stuff. So if I delete one, okay, now it works. Okay, cool. So yeah, our app is working. Cool. That's it. That's all it took. Okay, and then you go style it more, you make it fancier, and you do all that stuff. But not so bad. I'll see you guys later on. And again, make sure to join the Slack and Discord community over there at devnursery.com. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Alex Merced Coder. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know the drill.